Have you ever wondered how to set up an e-commerce business with Essentials tools? Do you often wonder which application or software is efficient in the e-commerce business? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of the required tools to set up an e-commerce business? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about e-commerce business, starting with tools. Now let's get into it. With a little knowledge, skills, and determination, anyone can start an e-commerce business. I'll go over a few of the basic components that you'll need when starting your e-commerce business. 1. Product or service. If you don't have your own product or service to market, you can market other people's products, either via affiliate programs, dropshippers, or network marketing programs. Once you've found a top-quality product or service to market, you're ready to get started. 2. Shopping cart software. To sell products online, you will need some kind of shopping cart software to facilitate online ordering and order processing. I recommend 𝐕𝐴𝐸𝐸commerce. It is free, very flexible, and feature-filled. 3. Online payments. To sell online, you'll need a way to accept online payments. The easiest way to do this is via PayPal. However, PayPal is not the most convenient for your customers. It's better for them if you get a merchant account and accept credit cards. 4. Communications. Even in e-commerce, communication with your customers is very important. At the bare minimum, you should have an email address and physical address for your customers to contact you at. Ideally, you should also have a toll-free number. 5. Web hosting. Of course, you'll need a server to host your website and software on. There are many reputable hosts that offer everything you'll need for under $10. Use a web host rating website to find a good host. 6. Marketing. Many small business owners fail at one of the most important points of marketing. If you don't properly market your website, you won't make any sales, and your business will fail. The key is to utilize marketing methods that are effective and profitable for your business. Experiment to find what works best, but here are a few tried and true methods to start with: pay-per-click marketing, search engine optimization, article marketing, shopping comparison websites, email marketing, and joint ventures. Hosted e-commerce application. E-commerce applications, either hosted or traditional, should be chosen carefully in order to benefit your online business. The e-commerce application is a specially designed software program to help enhance your online business. These applications programs are available from your shopping cart to provide a checkout point where the customer may pay for your goods or services. Most of these applications can be found from various hosting companies, which save you time and money by doing the hard work for you, such as getting the software to work in coordination with the specific needs of every customer. All you have to do is choose a well-reviewed company and use its services to your benefit. Here are a few benefits of e-commerce applications. Faster market time. Inexpensive access to the best available technology. Lower equipment overhead. Most companies that host e-commerce applications offer very secure environments. Network security usually integrates firewall protection, availability monitoring, and full support for secure sockets layer, SSL, as well as digital certificates. Hosted applications are often safer than traditional applications due to their best-in-class infrastructure. Hosted applications provide advanced software that can support almost any company's requirements, and most will guarantee certain levels of uptime. High-speed connections combined with advanced software have made e-commerce applications more modular, robust, and easy to customize. A great bargain is what we all look for, and when we find one, it makes the whole search worthwhile. It is easy to realize the great savings you receive with a hosted e-commerce application. When you choose a hosted application, you must understand that your data will be stored at the hosting company's center. These companies provide increased security while updating your data as necessary. There is always the issue of security and how much of your data you want to make accessible. This is not a drawback, but something one should be aware of when making the choice of getting any hosted e-commerce application. Compare packages and services along with all the relative features. This is the only way to make a correct decision. There is a vast number of hosting companies out there with an even larger number of offers to suit any style and match any budget. An exploding marketplace. The world has become a busy place, with trillions of dollars changing hands each year in business transactions and consumer spending. While the customary method of doing business in person or via telephone is still in use, the growing trend is to conduct e-commerce transactions online, with the use of computers. Online revenues from e-commerce in the US alone have grown from $24.1 billion in 2000 to over $100 billion in 2005. And, the number of online users in the US has exploded from 124.7 million in 2000 to over 200 million. Canada's combined private and public online sales have also experienced a boom. Up almost 40% in 2003 from a 27% jump in 2002, public sector enterprises realized nearly $511.4 million in sales. Along with the skyrocketing use of the virtual marketplace comes the need for special tools, such as e-commerce web hosting, e-commerce software, and the e-commerce shopping cart. How does it all work? E-commerce web hosting provides a business website with special tools for doing business over the internet. Features such as extended data storage and monthly data transfer capacities, security certificates, and complex databases are required to make a business website run smoothly. Higher data capacities allow for the sheer size of a business site and the enormous exchange of information involved. Security certificates make the site safe for monetary transactions, and databases such as 𝐥𝐸𝐤 keep track of individual accounts, purchases, inventory, or any transaction. The e-commerce shopping cart allows the customer to select items and then purchase them at a virtual checkout stand, usually with several payment method options, such as credit cards and PayPal. Businesses require skilled personnel to implement and monitor these special tools for marketing goods or services online. There are many e-commerce web hosting firms that meet these and other special needs for a successful e-commerce solution. E-commerce with quality budget hosting and free software solutions. Want to have an online store but can't pay the $50 a month or more for a real e-commerce hosting solution? Why not get your store and take credit card payments for under $90 a year? So you have something you want to sell, right? eBay is good in every other marketplace online, and there are thousands of them, but you just want your own little e-store. You want to experiment and learn some things and maybe make a little or even a lot of money, but the common e-commerce hosting solutions are a bit out of your desired price range. I will quickly go over some easy and very affordable choices you have to get to your intended goal. These choices will be based on a combination of good, quality budget web hosting and a couple of the many free e-commerce software solutions out there. An easy and free way to take credit card payments online is to get a PayPal account. PayPal provides many solid services to online merchants and is easily the most popular online payment gateway available. They offer integration with eBay auctions as well as buttons for people to purchase things from you and also a fully customizable shopping cart. Go to www.paypal.com to find out more. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about e-commerce business, starting with tools. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.